Hello, this is Christina from AceVacuums again. Today I am going to show you how to change the bags and filters in a Miele canister vacuum. How do I even open the bag compartment? Look for the large lever right below the hose connection. Pull it up, the lid should pop open on its own. Help! The lid is stuck. What did I do wrong? Most Miele lids won't open if the hose is pulled too tight. Make sure the hose is relaxed or detached before you pull the lever. When should I actually change the bag? Don't wait until it's brick hard. When the orange airflow indicator on the top of the machine turns fully red while you're vacuuming, it's time. How do I remove the bag without making a mess? Miele bags are smart. Just pull the blue GN or red FJM plastic collar toward you. The self-sealing flap closes automatically so no dust escapes. What do I do with the old bag? Toss it. Miele bags are 9-layer fleece and are not meant to be emptied or reused. What is that tiny white filter behind the bag? That's your pre-motor filter. Every time you open a new box of Miele bags, there is a new one included. Use it. How often do I change that motor filter? Every fourth bag change. If it looks grey or dusty, swap it out to protect the engine. When does the HEPA filter need replacing? Look at the time strip on the side of the filter. If that bar is completely red, the charcoal is saturated. Usually, this is once a year. Can I wash these filters? No. Washing a Miele HEPA filter ruins the microscopic fibers. Always replace with new ones. Why won't the lid close now? Miele has a no bag, no close safety feature. If the bag collar isn't clicked perfectly into the track, the lid will stay open to prevent you from ruining the motor. Does it matter if I use off-brand bags? Yes. Generic bags often leak dust into the motor. Using genuine Miele bags is the only way to keep your 20-year motor warranty valid. Which bag do I need? GN or FJM? It's easy. G is for giant, the big canisters, and F is for full size, the compact ones. Blue collar equals GN. Red collar equals FJM. Where can I get these right now in Northern Virginia? Stop by AceVacuums in Fairfax or Leesburg. We keep thousands in stock so you never have to wait for shipping. Can I buy them online? Absolutely. Go to AceVacuums.com. We ship genuine Miele supplies daily right to your door.